Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 4 English Grammar. In our previous video we learned that affirmative and negative sentence and also completed exercise E and exercise F. So today we are going to start with declarative and interrogative sentence. Now what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that express a complete thoughts. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. Which are punctuation mark? Full stop, question mark, exclamation mark. Okay. Now declarative sentence. So declarative sentence tells something and it ends with a full stop. Interrogative sentence. So what is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence asks questions and it ends with a question mark. So let's see. Read the following pairs of sentences. Declarative. The bees will collect pollen to make honey. So you can see here students. This sentence starts with capital letter, tells something and ends with full stop. So it is declarative sentence. Now second one. Interrogative. Will the bees collect pollen to make honey? So you can see here students. This sentence starts with capital letter and ends with question mark. So it is interrogative sentence. Declarative sentences say or state something. They ends with a full stop. Declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences ask a question. They ends with a question mark. So interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. We can call declarative sentence simply statements. We can call declarative sentence as a statements. An interrogative sentence like questions. We can change a declarative sentence into an interrogative sentence by changing the order of words. So when we want to change declarative sentence into interrogative sentence, what we have to do? Just we have to change the order of words and then we can make declarative to interrogative sentence. You can see here students, we have one example here. Bono is your pet dog. So it is a declaration. It is declarative sentence. It starts with capital letter, say something, tell something and ends with a full stop. You can see. And how we can convert it into interrogative? Just changing order of words. You can see. In this sentence, is a first verb. Is Bono your pet dog? Question mark. So it is a interrogative sentence. Second, the food was very tasty. So it is a declarative sentence. Declaration. Was the food very tasty? Question mark. So it is a interrogative sentence. So students, we can change declarative to interrogative sentence by using helping verbs like am, is, are, was, were, will, can, shall, etc. You can see here. First one, the bees will collect pollen to make honey. So what we have to do? We have to change order of words. We have to put first verb, helping verb. So you can see. Will is a helping verb in this sentence. So we have to change order of word. We have to put will first. Will the bees collect pollen to make honey? Okay. Second one. You can hear a train whistle. So can is a helping verb in this sentence. So Can you hear a train whistle? Question mark. Third one. Rama is 10-year-old. So which is the helping verb? Is. So changing this sentence into interrogative sentence, it will become, is Raman 10 years old? Question mark. Okay students, you got it? Okay, so in our next video we start our exercise. We will start exercise G. Okay, thank you.